why people should apply for 2020 is life-changing.
The 2020 programme is an amazing programme, and I'm not just saying that.
I have found the course excellent and I would recommend it to anybody.
2020 is a leadership programme that brings together a broad range of people from across our system. So we have people from the police, from fire, from the Ministry of Defence, education, health and social care, and it really is an opportunity to bring people together to learn, be equipped with the skills to manage the complex challenges our systems face, and to really be able to make a difference in the work that they do.
It's the programme for you to help make change happen. We do that by investing in the person, the individual you, to think about the place where we work, where we live.
I actually found the course very invigorating, really enlightening, and it gets you to question what you may or may not know.
I've absolutely loved the course. The whole challenge around leadership is something I'm really excited about.
I found the course really valuable, really enjoyable. I really enjoyed the fact that it was a different mix of people.
I found the course really beneficial in terms of networking with different partners, meeting with other people from different organisations.
It's been a great opportunity to meet other people and learn tips about how to do things in leadership better.
It's important because the challenges that we face together with our communities are more and more complex. So it's really important that we support people to think beyond themselves and their organisations and think together as system leaders on the things we can do together to make a difference. It's important that we are able to create spaces where people can connect and understand the things that they need to do together.
We've spoken today about psychological safety, which is very much what I get engaged with at work, and it's been really interesting, really good to connect with other people as well.
It will allow you to connect with a wide group of stakeholders, all in different fields of work, but also it gives you that opportunity to really design off piece and be creative, have that reflective space, which you don't get when you're every day in the workspace. So really important.
One reason why I applied for the programme is to build on my leadership qualities.
Stimulating.
It's been fascinating. I think just having so many people in one room, coming from different organisations, different backgrounds, different interests, different specialities. For me, coming out from the voluntary sector has been fascinating. I feel really included, I feel welcome, and I'm so excited about the possibilities of partnership working and working together.
Cancer support network, we have social prescribers that are employed by...
It's a really positive experience. For me, I can meet lots of people from different organisations. So in my own work, which would be looking at partnership work, it enables me to identify future connections that I can progress with or work with outside of the course itself.
A change challenge is something that we set off at the beginning of the programme here in Frimley 2020, and it is something that we would want to then achieve at the end of the programme. For me, it is about our diabetes population and the people who have not yet come forward for their tests. And I'd like to be able to, at the end of the programme, increase the number of people who come forward, especially in our most deprived communities. I think the impact of my change challenge is a recognition that we have a different model of care that we could explore. For example, going into our communities rather than asking them to come to us. The fact that we have technology that we can build on and spread for communities that struggle to come to us. And then thirdly, I would say reaching out to those people who don't often come to us for care.
I came into this programme to tackle a change challenge for me, which was around improving the system for our clients, really, as citizens' advice, but to work collaboratively with the NHS and with the health system. I think first of all I hope to improve relationships, and I wanted to know that we could speak to people in the right places that could actually influence change and improve lives around us. I've made a great start. I feel like we're on a journey now. I feel like there is scope, I think, to make a change.
I would say This provides a perfect opportunity to get to understand the wider system and the wider problems, and if you want to be involved, you should definitely try to sign up.
The course has been brilliant. Residentials have been a great way to meet new people, and it's a course that I'd recommend for anyone else within education or further afield too.
I would definitely recommend my colleagues. In fact, I've recommended a colleague that joined the next cohort when it was 2 days due to start, because I sold it so much that I told her how much I was benefiting from it, and with my daily reflections and coming and sharing information, and she loves it so far.
I've met loads of new people, and I think I'm going to be having several more conversations about how we can work together for patient care, and I'm excited to see where that goes.
Grab the opportunity, do it. Don't waste any time, fill out the form and pray you get selected.
Most importantly, what people will get from coming on 2020 is to build a community and a network of other like-minded people who have really high ambitions to tackle the complex challenges that we face, particularly thinking about tackling the wider determinants of health.
We fundamentally believe that a relationship-based approach to leadership and transformation is the only way we'll get sustainable change. So these programs are vital for the success of public service transformation, but also for the individuals to grow and develop as leaders for the 21st century.
So if you want to make a difference to the people and the outcomes and their health outcomes locally, come and join us, and actually the 2020 programme is a great way to start your leadership journey.
2020!